Hey, this is Sasha from ROG HQ in Taipei. Let me tell you about our Zephyrus S17, the 2021 edition. So for this one, we completely changed a lot of things. The most important thing is the keyboard. So the keyboard now folds up, just like we fold up the display on our Zephyrus Duo laptops. It's almost the same mechanism. And it's not just any keyboard, but it's the best keyboard we have in our lineup. It's an optical, mechanical, clicky keyboard, super comfortable and super cool because it lifts up and away from all the hot components. It also is based on Intel's H45 platform, which means you get Thunderbolt 4 and Gen 4 SSDs, and 3 of them. So you got 3 SSDs, 2 connected to the CPU, 1 to the chipset, and they can run in RAID 0 for crazy high speeds and really high capacity. It also comes with full-size SD card reader now, and yeah, overall what really makes it unique and special though is the typing experience. So having really nice, generous, clicky mechanical keyboard in a laptop at a nice angle and at a good temperature is something really cool to check out.